Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this reversible baby blanket, maybe cardigan, maybe bag. You can use this pattern everywhere. It's so simple. Only you use single crochet, like half double, not half double crochet, like double crochet, not completely usual double crochet. I will show you. It's so simple. Only 4 rows repeating, 3 rows is single crochet. That's it. You can see that it's so simple. You can use both sides. Okay, I use 100% of acrylic yarn. This is size 3. I use 3.5 millimeter hook here. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and thanks for your watching. Thanks for your support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our so simple blanket pattern. Let's start to crochet. I will show you again size 3 yarn. For this pattern, you need multiples, you need odd number. Okay. You will make your chains any odd number until you have any odd number. But if you want to make a baby blanket, you need minimum 90 centimeter or 1 meter. Okay, don't forget that. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's enough for me for showing you pattern. It's so simple. I have 17 chains. You will keep repeat which length you want. Then skip the first one, start from the second one, grab your yarn, make single crochet in every each stitch. Insert, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, pull through together. Insert, grab your yarn, pull through together. Okay. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 single crochet. Okay, I have chain 1 and knot count. Turn your work. Your second row is single crochet in every each stitch again. Okay. I complete the second row, chain 1 and turn, knot count, again make single crochet in every each stitch. We complete 3 rows with single crochet. Now chain 3 and turn your work, count as your first double crochet. This is border crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the second stitch, grab your yarn and lose it. Not complete. Yarn over, insert your hook from the second row's single crochet. On the line, insert the second previous row's single crochet, lose it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 loops, pull through all together. That's it. Yarn over, insert the next stitch, grab my yarn over, insert the previous rows, grab my yarn, 5 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, next stitch, yarn over, previous rows, pull through all together. Yarn over, next stitch, yarn over, previous, yarn over, next stitch, insert, grab my yarn over, this stitch, same line, previous rows. I insert, I have 5 loops, pull through all together. That's it. 1 and 2, pull through all together, 1, previous row, 2, pull through all together, 1, previous row, pull through all together, 1, previous row, pull through all together. When you come to the at the end, you start with chain 3 as first double crochet. You will finish with double crochet, then chain 1 and knot count, insert into the same and make single crochet in every each stitch. 3 rows you will make single crochets. On the 4th row you will make same stitch again, and that's it. Only 4 rows repeating, 3 of them is single crochet. So simple and so fast crocheting. Actually more thicker yarns, it will be more 3D effect you will have. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.